Impeached Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua's impeachment case kicked off at the Milimani High Court Tuesday, whereby Gachagua and several other petitioners challenged the impeachment process, citing inadequate public participation and the failure to substantiate all the allegations brought against him. The three-judge bench, constituted by Chief Justice Martha Koome, held an inter-parties hearing to consider a suit challenging Gachagua's impeachment. We shall now be joining our reporter Ruth Wamboi at the Milimani Law Courts, where she shall be updating us on the developments. Ruth?
Yes, good afternoon, Jacqueline Wambiru. We are coming to you live from Milimani Locals, whereby you understand there were inter-party hearing applications here at Milimani for the embattled Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. You understand that on Saturday the parties filed some applications at Kerugoya High Court, and also at Milimani there were also other applications. So the court set today 22nd for hearing of those applications, and today when the parties came, we have not have a substantive moving forward because parties started arguing on whether the bench is properly constituted. So the arguments from the petitioners and the side of the respondents, they have argued for 2 hours since the sitting started at 11 a.m. until few minutes to 1. There was no moving forward. So the bench, led by Justice Eric Ogola, Anthony Murima, and Frida Mugambi, have directed the parties to file a formal application on whether the bench is properly constituted, because they were saying that the bench has been constituted by Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu, whom they cite does not have jurisdiction to constitute a bench, and that constitutional empanelment of a bench is only the work of the Chief Justice Martha Koome. So those are some of the issues that have been raised by parties, and now they have been given 1 hour to file those applications, and they be responded within that 1 hour. So right now the court is on a break. It will come back at 2 p.m. to rule on that applications. Then we can see whether now the case will move henceforth from there, because they say if the bench is improperly constituted, then this case should not be heard by the bench, and if it is properly constituted, then they need to know why the bench sat on a Saturday at Kerugoya Law Court and gave the sitting for today 22nd, yet it had said that in its calendar it did not have any date before the 29th of October. So those are some of the issues that have been raised by parties, and now we are waiting to see at 2 p.m. on what will come out, because you see also the President William Ruto has also raised a petition and said that this case should not be heard by the High Court, and that it can only be heard by the Supreme Court. So those are some of the things that you are waiting to see when this application have been ruled. If the bench will sit now from there to listen properly now to the issues, we will have to know now whether this case will continue being heard by the bench at the High Court, or it will go to the Supreme Court as argued by President William Ruto. We are following up on the matter closely, and at 2 p.m. we'll update our viewers more from this side. Back to you, Wambiru.